Hi kids, how are you? I hope you all are safe. As before going to the topic, we should do the warm-up exercise. Be ready student. Everyone sit in a place. Sit. Sit. Stand. 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 Sit, stand, sit, stand, sit, stand, sit, stand, sit, stand, stop. Okay, clap your hands. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Clap, stop, 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 clap, stop. Okay children, sit in your place. Children, take out your workbook. Everyone take out your workbook and homework book ma. Chapter number 4, Addition, Essay 1, Revision, Exercise 4.3. Okay, see, recall, multiple choice question. The sum of 2 and 3 is. The sum of 2 and 3 is 2 plus 3, 5. Yes or no? What is that answer? Option D. Next, the sum of 7 and 1. 7 plus 1. 7 plus 1, 8. Where it is? Option C. Next, the sum of 8 and 3. 8 plus 3, 11. Where it is? Option A. In mind you should count. Okay. Next, the sum of the ones digit of 21 and 35 is. See, 21, 35. Ones digit sum. Only ones digit. See, this is ones digit. S, this 2 you should add. What is that? 6. S, where it is? Option C. Next, fifth one. The sum of the tens digit of 23 and 52. 23, 52. Tens digit. Only this 2 you should add. 5 plus 2. 7. S, where it is? Option B. Next, the sum of 22 and 11. 22 plus 11. 33. Where it is? Option A. S. Next, fill in the blanks. Children, fill in the blanks. While adding mentally, first we add the digit in the dash place. Which place you will add first? Tell me. Ones place. Yes or no? Always when you are adding any number, you should add first ones place. Next, the sum of 21 and 11. 21 plus 11. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. What is that sum? 32 is the answer. Next, ninth one. The sum of 31 and 13. 31 plus 13. 1 plus 3, 4. 3 plus 1, 4. 44 is the answer. Next, 10th one. Find the sum of 22 and 44. 22 and 44. See, 22 plus 44. 4 plus 2, 6. 4 plus 2, 6. What is the sum? 66. Next, 11th one. What is that question? Find the sum of 45 and 42. 45 and 42. 45 plus 42. See? 5 plus 2, 7. 4 plus 4, 8. What is that answer? 87 is the answer. Next, find the sum of 54 and 41. 12th one. 54 and 41. 54 plus 41. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 4, 9. 95 is the answer. 13th one. Add mentally 11 and 80. 11 and 80. 11 plus 80. 0 plus 1, 1. 8 plus 1, 9. Understood? This is A1. Okay. B1. What is that? 43 and 53. 43 plus 53. 3 plus 3, 6. 5 plus 4, 9. What is that answer? 96 is the answer. Understood, children? Otherwise, you can do like this also. See, 54 plus 41. Ones place, tens place. Ones place, tens place. Should add first ones place. 4 plus 1. 4 plus 1. 5. Ones place, 5. Yes. Now tens place. 4 plus 5. 9. Understood? Like this also you can add. See. 0 plus 1. Ones place, tens place. Ones place, tens place. First you should add ones place. 0 plus 1, 1. In tens place. 1 plus 8, 9. Understood, children? We can add like this also. You know, horizontal. Horizontally also you can add. See, 43 plus 53. Ones place, tens place. Ones place, tens place. First ones place you should add. 3 plus 3, 6. Tens place. 4 plus 5, 9. 96. Understood? Do it. Next, 14th one. Fourteenth one, children. See, A1. 42 and 31. 42 plus 31. Ones place, tens place. Ones place, tens place. First ones place you should add. 2 plus 1. 3. Yes. Next tens place. 4 plus 3, 7. 73 is the answer. Okay. Next, B1. What is the question? B1. 36 and 43. 36 plus 43. Ones place, tens place. Ones place, tens place. First you should add ones place. 6 plus 3, 9. 3 plus 4, 7. 79 is the answer. Understood? 15th one. Add the following mentally. Same, like that only. Okay. First A1. 64 and 65. See, 64 plus 65. Ones place, tens place. Ones place, tens place. First ones place you should add. 4 plus 5, 9. 6 plus 6, 12. B1. What is the question B1? 85 and 52. 85 plus 52. Ones place, tens place. Ones place, tens place. See, 5 plus 2, 7. 8 plus 5. 8 in a mind, take 5 fingers. 8 after. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 30. 137 is the answer. Understood? Now, C1. 56 and 52. See, 56 plus 52. Ones place, tens place. Ones place, tens place. Ones place you should add. 6 plus 2, 8. 5 plus 5, 10. 108 is the answer. Next, D1. What is that question? 88 plus 77. See, ones place, tens place. Ones place, tens place. First you should add ones place. 8 plus 7. 8 in a mind, take 7 fingers. 8 after. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 like that only you should write. No. You should write here 5, 1 carry forward. Again tens place you should add. Again 8 plus 7, 15. 15 plus 1, 16. 165 is the answer. Okay. You should practice like this, children. See, if carry, carry forward. That method also is there. Okay. 16th bit. Over. Copy this. Practice this, children. Now, next 16th one. 16th one I will do only 2 sums, children. Remaining you should do. Okay. See, 16th one. What is that? Add the following mentally. See, A1. 92 and 45. 92 plus 45. See, ones place, tens place. Ones place, tens place. First ones place you should add. Yes. See, 5 plus 2, 7. 7. 9 plus 3. 9 in the mind. Take 4 fingers. 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13. 137 is the answer. B1. 75 and 53. 75 plus 53. Ones place, tens place, ones place, tens place. Ones place you should add first. 5 plus 3, 8. 7 plus 5, 7 in the mind, take 5 fingers. 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That 12 you should write here. Understood? Next, C1. 64 and 46. 64 plus 46. Ones place, tens place. Ones place, tens place. First you should add ones place. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 like that only you should write? No. 0 here in ones place, tens place you should carry forward. Now, 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. 110 is the answer. Understood, children? Next, C1. 35 and 77. 35 plus 77. Ones place, tens place. Ones place, tens place. First ones place you should add. 7 in the mind. Take 5 fingers. 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 like that only you should write? No. 2 here, 1 carry forward. 7 plus, see, tens place. How many numbers are there? 3, 7, 1 is there. Yes. 7 in the mind. Take 1 finger. 7 after 8. 8 in the mind, take 3 fingers. 8 after 9, 10, 11. That 11 you should write here. 112 is the answer. Understood? Next, applications. In the application, I will say only 18th, 19th and 20th. 21st also. Okay? Remaining you should practice. Okay. Ziri scored 37 marks in term 1 and 51 marks in term 2 in mathematics. What is total score is both the terms? Solve mentally. You should practice properly. Ziri scored term 1. How much? Social. Sir. Solution 17th one. Ziri score in term 1. Term 1. What is the score? 37. Ziri score in term 2. How much? 51. So, total score in both terms is equal to 37 plus 51. Yes or no? See, ones place, tens place, ones place, tens place. First of all, you should add ones place first. 7 plus 1. 7 plus 1. 8. Yes. 7 plus 1. 8. See, 5 plus 3. 8. Tens place. In the tens place, which sheet number is there? 3 is there, 5 is there. You should add that two numbers. Yes. 5 plus 3, 8. What is the answer? 88 is the answer. Next. Section A of class 3rd has 41 students and section B has 43 students. What is the total number of students in a class 3rd? Solve mentally. 18th one, number of students in section A. How many? 41. Yes. Number of students in section B. How many? 43. So, total number of students in class 3rd. 41 plus 43. Ones place, tens place, ones place, tens place. First you should add ones place. 1 plus 3, 4. Tens place. 4 plus 4, 8. 84. Total how many? 84. Copy children. Fast. You should practice this all ma. Next. See. Like that only long answer questions also. Sujata has 22 red roses and 39 pink roses. How many roses does she have in all? Solve mentally. See. Manju, next. What is that? Number of red roses 22. Number of pink roses 39. Total number of roses 22 plus 39. Okay, like that you should do. You only practice ma. Next, Manju has 63 white sheets and 42 yellow sheets of papers. How many sheets of paper does she have in all? Solve mentally. Number of white sheets 63. Number of yellow sheets 42. So total number of sheets 63 plus 42 is equal to 105. And like that you should do. Okay. You should practice that. Next. Add mentally. See, listen here carefully children. 21st one. See 21st one. Add mentally. They given 3 numbers. Not 1, 2 numbers. 3 numbers. See 17, 26 and 37 they given. Yes. Sum of 17 and 26. See 17 plus 26. Ones place, tens place, ones place, tens place. First you should add ones place. S 6 plus 7. 7 plus 6. 7 in the mind, take 6 fingers. 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 like that only, right? No. 3 here, 1 carry forward. Again tens place you should add. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 43 is the answer. Again what you have to do? Again you should add these 2 numbers as sum of 37 and 43. Yes. Now 37 plus 43. Ones place, tens place, ones place, tens place. See, first of all, ones place you should add first. Yes. 7 plus 3. 7 in the mind, take 3 fingers. 7 after 8, 9, 10. Like that only you should write 10? No. 0 here, 1 carry forward. Again, tens place you should add. 4 plus 1. 5. 5 plus 3, 8. 80 is the answer. Total, what is that answer? 80. Therefore, sum of 17, 26 and 37 is 80. Understood, children? Like that only you should do 22nd one also. Okay? You should practice. All the best. You should practice properly. You should practice, children. Understood?